Flex.
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 Flex can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, flex can mean 1. Flexibility, pliancy. 2. The or an act of flexing. 3. Any flexible insulated electrical wiring. 4. A point of inflection. 5. The act of flaunting something, something one considers impressive. As a verb, flex can mean 1. To bend something. 2. To repeatedly bend one of one's joints. 3. To move part of the body using one's muscles. 4. To tighten the muscles for display of size or strength. 5. To flaunt one's superiority.
We rarely get the opportunity to flex that.